Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready and taking your first site. Set your chronometer to GMT and confirm the Nautical Almanac and the correct site reduction table addition. Next, establish a dead reckoning position to supply an approximate latitude and longitude. This makes the tables work. Then, take a careful sextant altitude, correct for index error at once, and write time, altitude, and observation details. Once done, you have the raw site data needed to enter the tables. Now you translate that site into an intercept. First, pull GHA and declination from the almanac for your exact site time and convert values into whole degrees and minutes. Then compute local hour angle using your DR longitude and find the corresponding row and column in the table to read the computed altitude, HC, and azimuth, ZN. Once you have HC, subtract it from your observed corrected altitude, HO, to get the intercept in minutes of arc. Convert that to nautical miles and note whether it is toward or away from the object. Finish by turning numbers into a plotted fix. From your dead reckoning point, draw the azimuth line using ZN, then measure the intercept distance toward or away and mark the line of position. If you have a second site, repeat and intersect LOPs to obtain a fix. If multiple sites give slightly different fixes, average or investigate outliers. If something seems wrong, immediately recheck your time entry, sextant index error, refraction correction, and that you use the correct table lines. These are the most common mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.